Some of you like to think of Milwaukee Tool as a tool company. It implies that in the name of the brand. But what Milwaukee Tool actually is a solution provider. They give you the tools to complete your job. They also give you some awesome accessories and storage systems. They provide a solution for tradespeople for a lot of different things. You have a job, they'll help you get it done. But there is one Milwaukee Tool accessory that is absolutely the pits. It stinks. I don't understand how this one tool accessory gets no love or attention, and/or with so many generations of tools being produced, how there ain't a Gen 2 or a Gen 3 or a Gen 4 by now for this one tool accessory. I just don't get it. Like I said, they provide solutions. You need to drill a hole in wood, metal, masonry, boom, you got a Milwaukee hammer drill. You need to drive fasteners, drill a hole, boom, you got the surge impact driver. Specially fasteners that need to be set, boom, you got the Shockwave line of driver bits. Need to drill the holes, look at this, boom, you got Milwaukee's self-feeding two-flute auger style bit for your impact driver. What? You're having a tough time saying, look at this. We got the M12 powered rover light. It's even got magnets back here and a keyhole. This way, you can mount it anywhere. I need to drill some holes in metal. Oh, here we go. We have them right there. Oh, look at this. We have our magnetic guide here. We got some bits in there. Oh, yeah, you got to strip some wires? Oh, okay, great. We got even a built-in wire stripper here. It's amazing stuff. Oh, you gotta cut some holes in metal so you can thread anchors into them. Look at these, the drill and tap set. I mean, they have a solution for anything. Oh, what? You need a measurement? Well, here's a tape measure. Not only do you have this Milwaukee tape measure, you got this Milwaukee tape measure, and this Milwaukee tape measure, and a bunch of other Milwaukee tape measures. What is that you say? You need a compact bandsaw? Well, here, Milwaukee's got one for you. It'll run on a compact M12 battery or an XC M12 battery. What is that you say? You need to get into a tight spot with that impact driver or drill driver? And it's off to an angle? Oh, look at this. We got this right angle adapter. We'll pop that in there. It's awfully quiet on the job site. You know what I need to keep me entertained? You know, we need to bring morale up in here. We need some tunes. Oh, what? This M12 radio's not good enough for you? Oh, okay. Well, cool. We got this bigger boom box that's Bluetooth enabled, and it'll charge your M18 batteries. We got this for it. What? You're saying this doesn't integrate with your other systems well enough? Oh, okay. You know what we could do? We got this Bluetooth charger radio that integrates into the pack-out system. What? You don't like the drawers and the boxes because they're made out of plastic? Oh, you like soft-sided organization instead of these hard boxes and stuff. Okay, well, we got soft-sided organization too. We'll put this on here. Oh, you need to clean up your job site after you're done using your Milwaukee tools. Well, here you go. We got a vacuum for you. What? It's not convenient enough. We got this vacuum here. We can strap it onto our back. It's got a lot of suction. And look, it's got an extendable wand. You don't even have to bend over. What's that you say? You're tired from all this work? Well, grab yourself something to drink, get yourself a nice fresh banana, and take a break. Not to mention all the different circular saws, not all the miter saws, drain augers, PEX machines, crimpers, you name it, they make it. I mean, Sawzall blades. They have endless solutions for you to help get your job done. But there is one tool accessory that has never been revised, never been innovated on, and quite frankly, it's an insult, in my opinion, that it even comes with any Milwaukee tools. Yes, it can complete its task. Yes, it will get the job done. But it offers no additional benefits. I mean, every one of these tools does its job exceptionally. It's something that I complain about every time I do a video on any of Milwaukee's M12 tool kits. I mean, if you're on the M18 platform and buy a kit, you get Milwaukee's multi-volt charger. This charger, there's no bells and whistles to this. It's bare bones. But you're able to charge an M18 battery and an M12 battery. Let's just say you buy a kit that includes some HO batteries. You're going to get Milwaukee's rapid charger, another solution. It charges M18 and M12 batteries. It's still fairly basic for a rapid charger, but once again, you have options. Let's just say you wanted to step it up. Let's just say you got a lot of tools and a lot of people using them. You have this rapid charger solution. Now, this one is a dual port charger, but it will charge 2 M18 batteries at once. And if you're at the top of the food chain and you want the best in charging technology, you got a whole bunch of 12 amp hour HO batteries and you need them charged in an hour or less, then you go with the supercharger. Okay, once again, you're able to supercharge those HO batteries here on this port here. But you can charge an M12 battery over there, see? Now, here's the deal. The worst tool accessory ever invented and never reinvented, never innovated on, is the one that comes in the M12 kits. It's the M12 charger. What is Milwaukee thinking with this thing? We're making this video because every time I make an M12 video and I say that this is the worst, this is the terrible Milwaukee M12 charger, the terrible M12 charger, people are always in the comments going, what does he mean? Why is it terrible? You jump into the M12 platform. Let's just say you're finding a specialty tool that's powerful but smaller and lighter than the competitor's brand that you've been using, okay? And you jump onto that M12 platform, which I would highly recommend. I love my M12 tools. Always have since I adapted them probably a decade ago. Here's the deal. I'll never understand why Milwaukee won't at least give you a multi-volt charger when jumping into their M12 platform. Now here's the deal. Why is that? Because number one, I'll never believe that somehow there's a cost savings in producing this over this. Like, and even if it is, it's got to be pennies. Pennies. Okay, but here's the thing. Even if it did cost you a little more money to put this into the kit, okay, when having people jump onto your M12 platform, think about this. Now, Milwaukee Tool, you have a multi-volt charger in a contractor professional's hand. They're using somebody else's 20-volt tools or 18-volt tools, just another brand, full-size tools. But they have your multi-volt charger, and they've been liking their M12 tools. A situation arises, and they need to buy a new tool for a specific job. And Milwaukee Tool happens to be running a bare tool plus free battery promo at one of the big boxes or one of the online retailers. That person would be more likely to go, hey, you know what? I already have the charger. Maybe I'll buy that bare tool and score me a free battery. It makes no sense. And that's why this is the worst Milwaukee tool accessory given out, sold, made. It makes absolutely no sense. And if you like it, when I make sense and Milwaukee Tool don't, then smash the like button. Let me know down in the comment section below. Is that not a disgrace? Like, why are they, like, I don't understand it. I don't get it. Pretty sturdy. I'm shocked. As terrible as it is, it was pretty sturdy though. Who engineered this?
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.